you're experiencing server timeout issues in Red Dead Redemption 2, there are several steps you can take to potentially resolve the problem. Follow these steps to help lower the server timeout. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and has sufficient speed. You can do this by running a speed test and checking for any interruptions or fluctuations in your connection. Step 2. Restart your router. Power cycle your router by unplugging it for about 30 seconds and then plugging it back in. This can help refresh your connection and resolve any temporary issues. Step 3. Change DNS settings. Consider changing your DNS settings to public DNS server like Google DNS 8.8, 8.8, and 8.8, 4.4 or Cloudflare DNS 1.1, 1.1. This can improve your connection to the game's servers. Step 4. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth or processing power. This includes downloads, streaming services, and other online games. Step 5. Check for game updates. Ensure that Red Dead Redemption 2 is updated to the latest version. Developers often release patches that can fix connectivity issues, so keeping the game updated is essential. By following these steps, you can work towards reducing server timeout issues in Red Dead Redemption 2. If problems persist, consider reaching out to your internet service provider or the game support team for further assistance.